Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a craft. I know it's been a minute, but we are going to do a skeleton craft. All products are from the Dollar Tree. So let's get to it.
I can fix this. Oh, I got it.
Okay, go out there, baby.
Oh, baby.
You're my baby.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to show you what I bought, and then we're going to create our skeleton little theme. So they have these plates at the Dollar Tree. They have these skeletons, which come in one pack, and they actually light up this year. He's so cool. So I got 2 of those. Then they have this coffin. These little leather pumpkins in a 4-pack. Some of this mossy type thing in the craft section. They don't have cauldrons this year, so I had to buy it on Amazon. Got a couple packs. A little cauldron, and then you want to get one of the lights that light up, and a cotton ball. So let's get started. Push that down, his head's backwards. Okay, so I got him to sit up. Great. Now I'm gonna turn my little light on, place it, oh, don't drop it like I did. Put it in there so you can see, you can actually grab it if you need to take it out to turn it off. And to give it some kind of like spooky smoke effect, you wanna put this cotton ball in here. Try to push through a little so you can see it lighting up. So it's kind of like a little brew. Next, I'm gonna do my little centerpiece focal point on the back. So this little coffin, I'm just gonna glue standing up. This is their bed, and I'm gonna put that right back here behind them and hold that down a little bit. I'm just gonna grab a couple more of this little grass stuff and put it next to the coffin. And even put a little on top. And add another pumpkin in the back. So I went back and added some more of the moss to give it a creepier feel, and put some more on top of the coffin. Added 2 more pumpkins. So it just gives it that more woodsy, creepy outdoors feeling. So I really hope you liked my video. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Give me a comment and leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And please make sure to turn on the notifications so you can see my next video. Have a great day.